What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Artrino. Now, Artrino is listed on CoinMarketCap. Name of the token is Art Space Rhino, R-I-N-O. Ticker symbol is Artrino, all one word. We're going to go over the information on this token and where you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Artrino. So artrino.info is their official webpage. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. So if you wanted to buy this token, you could simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and trade your BSC for the Artrino token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you could find it on their official webpage or their BSC scan, which is listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, you might have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. And it's also listed on a couple different central exchanges. You can get it off Bitmart or IndoX, and it is paired with USDT on those exchanges. So you can just download those from the App Store, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then search the ticker symbol Artrino in the trade section, and then buy the tokens that way if you want to. They do have a full white paper listed on CoinMarketCap, their webpage, artrino.info, their BSC scan, Telegram, Twitter, and Discord are all listed here, along with the price chart and contract address. This token's doing well today. It's actually up 48.04% right now. Now, if we go over to their BSC scan, it says they have 4,784 holders, 27,232 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of, that is 1 billion tokens. Now, their white paper, it looks like it is available. It's 14 pages. It says, redefining ownership of art. We at Artrino believe that all great masterpieces should not be owned, bought, sold, or stored in vaults between shables, I don't know what that is, and financial firms. The freedom to access art should be made available to the community. Artrino aims to disrupt the market by creating an ecosystem where ownership, profit, and decision-making capacity of and for the art is distributed and shared. We at Artrino Corporation strongly believe in the ideology we promote, the ideology of revolutionizing the ownership of masterpieces and art. But we are not just limited to that. We want to shake the art distribution market by creating a fluid and seamless market for globalization of art masterpieces, making Artrino token the currency for easy cross-border art transactions, eliminate the borders of art trade, and evolve into a system that is valued by the public by artistry, not biased towards specific states. So it says there's a need for change. Art has been an integral part of history, and so has been the fight for ownership of masterpieces. The collectors have been a part of this war and made it even more popular. Generations changed, methods changed, mediums changed, but the one fact that did not change was the world-class masterpieces that are bought, sold, and stored in vaults in between financial firms and used as a status symbol. Art as an asset has remained behind closed doors and in the hands of powerful institutions for very long, but now is the time to change that. The time calls for action, and here we are to deliver. Due to the nature of auctions and sales, the access has always been limited, but has been desired by many for a long period of time. The doors need to be open, and blockchain has made it open for the doors 100 times easier and achievable. Art has changed its course along history, and many times so has the ownership, market share, availability, access, cross-border trades, mode of payment, and we are listing out the data and findings, WRT, the recent status of global art market sales reports, and they have that on their white paper. You can check out the sales reports. Despite the contradiction of sales overall, aggregate online sales reached a record high of $12.4 billion, doubling in value from 2019. So then it goes over global sales, talking about how they're estimated to reach $50.1 billion. And and then how many collectors felt the pandy increased their interest from collecting. And so their corporation, Art Rhino, aims to disrupt the market, yada, yada, yada. Commercialization of exclusive money for artwork, popularization of art distribution and investment, and fairness of artist appearance opportunities. So they're from different countries. It says United Kingdom, USA, China, Korea, all different places. So basically it says what they're having here is world art competitions, Art Rhino tax-free zone, Art Rhino auctions, the Art Rhino Bank, and Art Rhino insurance are going to be the products within the ecosystem. So the token here, Art Rhino, is the utility token implemented as a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain, and eventually they're going to launch an ERC20 version of the token as well. Art Rhino native token is a revenue sharing virtual financial asset, VFA, which is currently based on Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. The basic attributes are complied with the above ecosystem. Art Rhino can be swapped with any of the BEP20 tokens on central exchange and decentral exchange that it's listed on. The token serves as the means of transaction, profit sharing, stock trades, liquidity mining, early access to events hosted by Art Rhino, and many other activities as part of the ecosystem and the market. Art Rhino is about to redefine the ownership of our approach to that is provided shared ownership, profits, and decision-making powered using art stock tokens. Art stock tokens will be created and deployed on PancakeSwap and be available to trade as a pair only with Art Rhino, which in turn is tradable with any BEP20 token. Art Rhino token will act as a mum token, producing several child tokens for artists and their artworks. Now, 20% goes to marketing, technology, and development, 10% donation, 10% founders and core team locked for 1 year, and 60% Art Rhino users community development. And so I don't know if it doesn't really say if there's any taxes or anything on the token when you buy this token. So maybe you won't have to set slippage because, I don't see that in the tokenomics here. And that seems to be about it. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think it's a good investment or not? It is up almost 50% right now as of today, so check it out on CoinMarketCap. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.